Hi, welcome to Get Into It TV. Today I'm going to show you opening a package of my Glossy-Pops. This is a new trend thing, you know, new thing everybody's into. The little Glossy-Pop glosses with the nice glossy applicator. I love it. It's very moisturizing for your lips. It's the new big thing. And I kind of went a little crazy and bought a bunch of them for the Easter. So I got the Easter basket. Limited edition, I think. I'm just so excited about it. I'm trying to start collecting and then doing reviews. It's just showing how good they are. They're very nice. It's something that I always love is lip glosses. I have a whole collection of lip glosses. It's a whole box of them. This is just the basket, and I had a little plan to make a bunch of lip glosses go together in a basket, which I just received. Oh my God, it's like I'm tackling the box. I'm serious. Like, it says fragile, but I'm really rough because it takes too long to open. But this is very nicely packaged, you see, and that's what you like when you buy things. You want to know that it's safe and gonna arrive on time. Oh. See the box, see how it comes, nice packaging, paper, oh, bubble wrap, more bubble wrap. I get excited with this stuff. Oh, nice. Glossy-Pops. I mean, if you can guess, I would like you to try to guess the flavors. Like and subscribe, Get Into It TV, and make sure you tell me which ones you like best out of the ones. I'm going to open them shortly. Show you. The packaging is so nice. Oh my God, I think she may have gave me an extra one, or maybe it's just the packaging, I don't know. But it's so nice, the little gift. I don't even want to open the little gift basket. So nice. I can't wait to see what's inside. Box, bubble wrap, cotton candy, cake, lollipop. Not lollipop, cotton candy, Glossy-Pop. I was about to say cake pop, because for real, it looks like a cake pop. The size of a cake pop, that's this. Oh, fumbling. Okay, now that we see what's going on here, oh, it's like a Christmas to me right now. Just looking at each one so individually wrapped with care. That makes me want to buy things over again. When I see people have a business and they nicely wrap, make you feel good about what you purchased. Like Christmas, basically, any time of the year. If you get a nice wrap gift, it's going to feel like your birthday or Christmas. Oh, God, I got it. This is the Rosé Glossy-Pop. This is specifically for my birthday. This is how I want to shine. Keep putting out my lip gloss, Glossy-Pop. I'm so excited, especially when I gotta put it on. You just put it on nicely. How many people took an Instagram pic with their Glossy-Pop? I didn't. But I need to. Because trust me, I'm waiting for the day to do it. My whole plan is to take my little Glossy-Pop and take nice Instagram pics. Here's my ultimate favorite Glossy-Pop. I'm thinking this is the limited edition one. It's the Havana, I think. Boss Gloss Pop. It's the Bossy Gloss Pop. If I only could open it, like, I like it. It's so nice. Oh, it was taped. Sorry, guys. Russian excitement. Didn't realize it was taped together. Okay, this one comes like this. See that gloss? Like a boss. Gloss like a boss. Make you feel like a boss when you get this one. I love it. I absolutely love this one. I'm not gonna lie. It comes with the gloss. Take it out. Oh, that's how you feel when you see this one. I ain't gonna lie. Tells you pop up. Poppin' pop pops. Absolutely love it. That's one of my top. Then, oh, here's the Easter basket. It comes with, I think I paid $38 for this, but it comes with 3 gloss pops, a little pouch, a little pom-poms on the side, keychain, which is really cute. Sometimes you gotta just buy what you want. And the way this thing going with this coronavirus, it makes you want to shop. Stay in your house, shop, get cute and shop. Sit in your room. Try on things safely. You don't have to move around too much when you're in the house. Oh, I love it already. It's so durable. This is a nice price. So when Easter comes, you can just fill this up with more gloss, which is what I'm gonna do. That was my whole intentions. I buy things to do other things sometimes. And I absolutely love this little coin purse. That's cute. I could put all my little monies that I'm gonna save to buy more Gloss Pop. Mostly limited edition, probably. Something I can't get often. I love this, but I just don't want nothing in it. So I'm reusing all this. Making a mess. I'm making a mess. I'm sorry. But when it calls for, I'm very like clean when it comes to certain stuff. I organize very well. So when I see something messy, I just try to get rid of it. That's it. Get rid of it. So here's my other Gloss Pop. I believe in unicorn. That's that one. And this one is more of like a shimmer Gloss Pop. So it also has a little color to it. I'm thinking this is my first one with a jewel. And then here is Icy Cupcake. You know I bake, so once I saw the cupcake, it sold me right away. I just thought about, oh, it's perfect for me. Once I hear cupcake, sometimes I just get excited. And this one is the Gummy Bear edition. This one is so cute. I'm giving this one to my daughter. She asked me, oh, I want one. I said, okay, I'll get you one. You could get this one, and I'll give her my cotton candy. These are the duo sets anyway. So I decided to give this one to my daughter. Let her keep those. Because they kind of kitty to me. The Gummy Bear, cotton candy. You know, it was like over my head. But these two I got in place. All these is all for me. With the Glossy-Pop. Gloss like a boss. That's what you gotta do. It's very nice just to have things like that. I'm also a big fan of pink. When it comes to lip glosses, I have them all. This is how I'm gonna do it. Every collection I have of gloss goes in here. In my little Easter gloss basket. That's what it's gonna be. All gloss, Victoria's Secret, pink, anything I see glossy, all my glosses. That's what I do. I don't play around when it comes to my gloss. I'm addicted. See that? Addicted to gloss. That's me. Something I do as a hobby. Just sit and gloss everything up. I have so many of them. I can't even stop to realize how it's all gloss. Like a box full. I'm not gonna lie to you. But I'm just sitting here. I just had to show you the next top thing. These Glossy-Pops. Every time I get some, I'm gonna kind of show you, put a little review up, let you know how it is, if it's worth it. Right now, to me, all of these are worth it. Like, I don't have a favorite at the moment, but I tell you this is what you're supposed to be right here. So tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for watching our channel, and peace.